It's Xbox time.
Lamarr Wilson.
How you doing? Good to see you. Lamarr Wilson here. Back for another video, back for another unboxing. I know this came from the Xbox team because I saw the label, then I tore it off, and now I'm like, what is it? Why am I I got too much energy today. I haven't even eaten. Guys, it's good to see you. Let's get to some happy stuff and see what's in this. What? Oh, Fallout. Okay. No, because I see something on top. I'm like, what is that? Okay, hold on. Please enjoy this limited edition crate that celebrates the collaboration with Fallout 76, Xbox, and the Philadelphia 76ers. Okay. Allen Iverson, is he still there? Charles Barkley? I'm old. Okay, I'm sorry. There are jerseys in here, so let's just get into it. I'm gonna. Okay, well, I'm not gonna be able to fit in this. Okay, oh, these are those. My fat butt. I know what they're for. Allen Iverson was famous for wearing these. Okay, I'll just put one on. You can tell I hadn't worked out in a long. Okay, I guess they're like compression is good. I could use some. But okay, I'll just put one on just because we got to keep this video going. I'll be sitting here getting. No, they put my name on one. What? Wilson 76. That's how old I am. I'm sorry. No, this Philadelphia. It says this was gonna be a one take video. I gotta try this. I don't know. All right, how about I put it over the shirt? Okay, hold on. I didn't know this is gonna have clothes in it, and I didn't lotion inside, So I'm like, oh, okay, I see you. There's more clothes in there though. Okay, so now y'all got me. Screenshot. Okay, Wilson. I can't see my booty because the table's too high. There's more. There's shorts. Okay, I can tell you right now, my legs are ashy. I'm gonna do this live. You can't see. I want y'all all to picture me. I'm getting naked in front of y'all. This is why kids shouldn't be watching. It's like you seen a grown man getting, but you can't see anything. Just this is why I'm gonna keep this running. Keep it going. Okay. My legs are ashy and my socks are too high, like an old man wears. So I'm gonna go back a little bit. So yeah, that's these are dope though. I gotta those legs, boy. All right, hold on. For this next one, gotta change outfits because you got another. See, I know I'm putting these on wrong. People are like, Lamarr, you're supposed. I know. Look, okay, I get it. I have never put one of these on before. So if this is the part that's supposed to go here, whatever. Sorry for disappointing all you sports people. Okay, so there, Xbox. And then they sent two of the outfits. It's like, what? All right, so this is what, oh, this is nice. Got the Fallout colors right there. Oh, snap. Oh, my God, got the Xbox logo. Okay, my drawers are, okay. Put that on, and we go ahead and throw this on real quick, and then I'll show you the whole thing. The legs are so ashy. Me like you. I'm gonna go ahead and keep this one on, and just keep the video going, but like my shirt is messing this whole aesthetic up. I know. And so they gave what? Okay, there's another set in here. Y'all are crazy. Y'all, that's all I gotta say. Y'all on Xbox are crazy, guys. Wait, did y'all get? Why y'all do that? Oh, they got me. Okay, hold on. Okay, so I got the game. Fallout 76. This comes out next week, and I was like, do I have the disc? But I opened it, and well, I'm not gonna show you, but there's a code on the back, so I can play it this weekend. If it's available this weekend, that's what I'm. Thank you. Oh my God. It's 4K Ultra HD, HDR, Xbox One X Enhanced. Bethesda, y'all are awesome. I'm actually really excited to play this Fallout. I am not I dabbled in Fallout 4, but I don't really know the lore, which makes it even better because I'm gonna go in like with no preconceived ideas and anything and just gonna be excited about it. But there's one more thing. There's one more thing. It's an Xbox One X. And it says Wilson 76 on it. Okay, you know what? This might be one of them special. Wait, hold on, get my face out the way. Can you see that? It's a radioactive edition custom one. Oh boy, this is gonna be on my shelf if it's cool. And it's okay. I don't even care about cleanup. Oh my God, it is custom. It is custom. Oh my God. Okay. What am I doing that for? It's going on the shelf. Oh! That's my name. What's my name on it? Oh my God. Okay. Fallout 76. The Philadelphia 76ers. Fallout 76 Wilson. Oh. I've never had an Xbox with my name on it. Dude, that is dope. I gotta see if it makes a special sound. I'll be right back. Go ahead and click this. Well, that answers that. Oh, snap! Like Noah snap. Sorry, I just know him. Oh my, what a beautiful controller. In the back it's clean, but the front, oh my God, what a Microsoft, Xbox Division, Bethesda, whoever did the custom thanky things on here. Thank you very much. Listen, I don't know if this radioactive edition is available for consumers. By the time I put this video up, I'll know. If it is, I'll put a link below. If not, tee. I'm sorry, but yeah, this is cool. Here's the craziest thing. Before we go real quick, I just hadn't scheduled a day to do it yet. Now that I know this is Fallout, I have another package that came in. I'll be right back. This came in a couple weeks ago, and I was just like gonna wait till the game came out. But yeah, special. It's perfect timing. I didn't even know. Special delivery. It feels like clothes. Let's just open it. Oh snap! What? Oh my God. Okay. That's a gold shirt. Meaning my butt ain't getting this one. That's okay though. That's okay. I don't like getting that hoodie either. But there you go. A Fallout t-shirt says Fallout on the back. Oh my God, that's awesome. That's a goal. Like one day. Let's see. Oh man, look, I love these colors. These were my school colors back in the day too. Oh man, so what is this? Yeah, so 76. The spirit of 76. No? Okay. And then it says 76 on the back. One day, I'm gonna fit in it and I'll be like, yo guys, I did it. And that's gonna be awesome. Thanks for watching. What a great surprise. And yeah, I appreciate you living vicariously through me and my excitement, because I do get excited, boy. And I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye!